All right, so today we have the UVS100, which is a sunshade for my 2008 Cadillac STS. I've bought these for every car I've had for the past 5 or 6 years, since my first Cadillac. I've had the Cadillac, Chrysler, Jeep, Cadillac, Jeep, Cadillac. So multiple vehicles. I buy this every time. They're laser cut for the windshield. It is sturdy, so you can see that's what it is, folks. So it's not like the cheap ones you would put in your car from a generic box store, right? They're very thick, so you'll put it up this way, right? And then the shiny part goes on the outside to reflect the sun, and it makes a massive difference in your vehicle, especially if your vehicle parks outside like mine does. It'll protect the leather on your dash, or just the dash interior. You know, even if you don't have leather, it protects the interior of the car, and it changes the temperature, the heat. It really absorbs a ton of heat, and it comes with a little pouch to hold it, right? See? So we'll go put it in the car and we'll take a look and see how it is. All right, so this is the sunshade. Like I said, it just unfolds in here. I'm doing it awkwardly because I'm filming it, but you know, shiny side out. You can put that up there and then you pull these guys down. So these hold it up, right? I gotta fix that, don't worry about the gap all in there. Yeah, looks pretty good in here, right? And there it is from the outside. It looks pretty good there, right? You can tell that will block a lot of sun. All right, thanks.